thank you so much for being with us all throughout our journey on our first milestone, our 1,000 subscribers. We are ready to give you exciting, enjoyable, and fun videos to make your day on a brighter side.
And can you imagine this was actually created during a pandemic? It's amazing that you guys got to see the journey and were with us while we made this. So thank you so much.
See you around.
Welcome back to CheckThisOut.pro, elevating ordinary people, acting immediately on their extraordinary purpose.
Hey, greetings from down under. Congratulations on your 1,000 subscribers. Check this out, .pro.
Hi, MJ Anshong. Congratulations on your YouTube channel. Check out this is out that pro on your 1,000 subscribers. Looking forward for your success. Greetings from Kuwait.
Hi, I'm Ruby from Jeddah. Congratulations to your 1,000 subscriber. Check this out, .pro YouTube. More power and stay safe. Bye.
Hola, this is Nats, and I would like to congratulate you on your 1,000 subscribers to your Check This Out.pro on YouTube. Saludos desde Barcelona, España.
Congratulations! Check this out, .pro on your 1,000 YouTube subscribers. Greetings from Geneva, Switzerland.
Hi guys, this is Charles from West Covina. I'm down right here in Santa Monica right now, and check this out, .pro. Congratulations for hitting 1,000 subscribers, and yeah.
Hi, I'm Holly, and I'm from Portland, Oregon. Congratulations to Check This Out.pro for hitting 1,000 subscribers. Woo!
I'm Bling Cat Hayward from Portland, Oregon. And congrats to Check This Out.pro, hitting 1,000 subscribers. Way to go, you little rock stars.
This is Remia from Bora Bora, French Polynesia. I just want to say congratulations to Check.pro for reaching their 1,000 subscribers. Kudos.
Hi everyone, I'm Sister Loida. Congratulations on your 1,000 subscribers. on checkthisout.pro YouTube. Greetings from Rome, Carmelite Missionary.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Please press like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and you can follow us on all of our other social media platforms. Have a great day.